All right. This says to color the number of syllables. So if it has, what number is this? One syllable, we're going to color it red. If it has 2 syllables, we're going to color it yellow. If it has 3, we're going to color it green. If it has 4, we're going to color it blue. Got it? Okay. Oh, that is a letter in your name. You're right. Okay. I need all eyeballs on me. Blue's your favorite color? Nice connection. It's not mine. What's my favorite color? Purple. All right. You should be sitting on your bottom. Eyes on me. Okay. What are all these things? Vegetables and fruit. They're things you could grow in a garden because we're learning about spring and gardens right now. Okay? All right. The first one is right here. Raise your hand if you can tell me what this word is. Oh, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Alexandria, what is this? Corn. Everyone say corn. Okay, we're going to find out how many syllables are in corn. Ready? How many syllables are in corn? 1. Good job. So 1 is supposed to be what color? Red. Grab a red. If you do not have a red, you're going to borrow one from your partner. Color the corn red. Color it red. Nope. Where's the corn? See. Good job. You have 2 reds. Perfect. Who does not have a red? Okay, give that back to her. Thanks, Makai. Good job. Remember, we're doing quick coloring. Quick coloring. We're not focusing on coloring. We're focusing on syllables. Color your corn red quickly. Where's your corn? Good job. Where's your corn? What color is it supposed to be? No, color it red because it has 1 syllable. Color your corn red. I'm sorry. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should be done. Put it up. Okay, eyeballs on me. Raise your hand if you can tell me what this is. Ooh, raise your hand. Kyla, what is this? Lettuce. Everyone say lettuce. Can you put lettuce on your chopping board? Everyone say lettuce. Okay, we're going to chop the syllables. Ready? Go. Lettuce. Lettuce. How many syllables are in lettuce? 2. What color is 2? Yellow. Yellow. Find your yellow. We're going to do yellow on our lettuce. If you don't have it, what should you do? How can we solve that problem? Borrow. Good job. Borrow from someone at your table. You need yellow, honey. Yellow. Where's your yellow? What?
I can't fix it.
It's okay. Just color the rest of it yellow. All right, I can tell Isabella's finished, and Emerson, and Kyla. I see. You gotta be careful. Sit down, okay? Just be careful when you're writing. Not right now. Go sit down, please. All right, it looks like most of my friends are finished, so I need eyes up here. Ooh. Who knows what these are? Raise your hand. Who knows what these are? Lakeland? Close. Amara, what do you think they are? Edamame. Hey, we could go with it. What do you think it is, Millie? Peas. These are peas. They do look like edamame. They might be. I don't know. but they're peas. Everyone say peas. How many syllables are in peas?
One.
I like how you're chopping it. Okay, use your hands and find out. Peas. How many syllables are in peas? Okay, put it on your chopping board. Peas. How many times do you have to chop peas? One. It only has one. Some of my friends are dragging out the sounds. We don't drag out the sounds when we're finding out our syllables. Peas. How many syllables is that? One. What color is one? Red. Color your peas red. Yeah, it has the same amount as corn. Oh. You need to color your peas red. Where's your red? Color it red. Color your peas red. Oh, what color is it supposed to be? Red. Color on top of it so you can fix it. What you have? Yeah, there you go. What, baby? You can, as long as they're the same color as mine, yes. Okay. Yeah. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should be done. Time's up. Okay, raise your hand if you can identify this fruit. Raise your hand quietly. Kyla? Watermelon. Ooh, that sounds like it has a lot of syllables. Ready? Okay, put it on. Watermelon. Watermelon. How many do you hear? Watermelon. How many is it? You're okay, baby. Oh, you can borrow. I see some of my friends showing me with their fingers. Kyla's showing me 4. Chloe's showing me 4. Alexandra's showing me 4. Gabriella's showing me 4. Okay, ready? Count while I say it. Watermelon. How many is it? 4. What color is 4? Blue. Grab a blue. Color the watermelon blue. Makai, did you find someone to borrow? Can you ask? Say, can I borrow your blue? Okay. You can tell him, say, when I'm finished. Okay, you finish and then let him borrow it. Good job, Jake. What color is your watermelon supposed to be? Oh, you're waiting for a blue? Okay. I know, baby. I'm sorry. Here, come sit down. Let's stay in our seat, and that will help us heal, okay? You're okay. Oh, well, we're going to use green when we find a word that has 3 syllables, okay? Oh, some of my friends aren't doing quick coloring. Make sure you're using quick coloring. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much for helping your friend. All right, Jake. Can you tell us what this is? Eggplant. We read about those this morning, right? Yeah. What color were the eggplants in our story? Purple. Are we going to color this eggplant purple? How do you know? There's no purples over here, but we know they are really purple. We learned about them this morning. All right, eggplant. Can you tell me how many syllables are in eggplant? Good job. Show me with your fingers. Good job. Eggplant. That's a compound word. Eggplant. Good job. Okay, everyone is showing me the right answer. How many are in eggplant? 2. What color do we need? Yellow. You need to color it yellow, Vivon. Very good. Nope, because then we're going to go do writing. What? Writing. We haven't done writing yet today, silly. We're going to eat after writing, just like always. Okay, finish. Good job. Color it yellow. That's okay. It happens.
We're not going for perfection.
Yep. Remember, we're just doing quick coloring. We're not focusing on coloring. We're focusing on syllables. Okay, you should be finished. Okay, I'm going to scooch it up a little bit. So we're not going to be able to see number 1, but we'll remember that it's red. Oh, we haven't found one that has 3 syllables yet. Yeah, you're in the greenhouse. All right. Okay, eyeballs. Oh, Jake said broccoli has 3 syllables. Let's see if we agree with him. We can do that one next. Okay, find out how many syllables are in broccoli. Count them again. Look, it's broccoli. Yes. You're getting tired? Yeah. Mondays are hard. All right, ready? Let's do them together. Are you ready? If you're ready, say, I can identify syllables. All right, ready? Broccoli. How many is that? 3. What color is 3? Green. We finally get to use our green. We finally got one that was the same color that it's supposed to be. You're right. Broccoli is actually green. That was our first one where the color made sense. Yeah. It happens. It's silly. Okay. Do you need a green? Do you have one? You don't have a green? Okay, what do you need to do then? Oh, you have a green right there, silly. Come on, I'm looking for hard workers. What? You're right. You can do the paper by yourself if you're ready to move on, Jake. You can do it. No, it's not the time for that. Good job, Jacob. All right, I think we're ready. Okay, Jayla, can you help me with the next one? What is this? Carrot. All right, I want you to think really quickly. We learned something about where carrots grow today in our story. Do you remember where it says they grow? Where? Under the ground, in the dirt. Good job. Okay. They are orange, but is it going to be orange on this paper? Nope. Let's figure out what color we need to do it. How many syllables are in carrot? How many syllables? Count them. Say the word. Carrot. How many is that? Carrot. 2. Carrot. What is 2? Yellow. All right, grab your yellow. Perfect. I don't know, baby. Did you check the floor? Oh, it's right there on Isabella's paper. It rolled over there. We have some hard workers in here. Oh, it's okay. Color it yellow. Put your brown away. You don't need your brown. It's okay, just color on top of it. Okay, if you're finished, put your hands on your belly. Quick coloring, quick coloring. Good job. Okay. It's okay, baby. It's not going to color it because it's lighter than brown. What? Pineapples are fruit. All right, ready? If you're ready, say, I'm ready. I need eyeballs. Okay. Does anyone know what this is?
I know. They're green. I know.
They're normally green.
I know.
Oh, Alexandria knows. Listen. Asparagus. Everyone say asparagus. Have you ever eaten asparagus? I like asparagus. Mmm. It's good. It is, you're right. All right, give me a clap. Give me a snap. Hands in your lap. Voices off. All right, ready? Asparagus. Okay, count them. Asparagus. How many is it? Good job. I see some fingers. It's 4. What color is 4? Blue. Color the asparagus blue. Lakeland, go do your work. Color your asparagus blue. Quick coloring. Color it blue. Here, Kai. Does it not work? Let me see. We might need to throw it away. Oh, it does work. You can use it. Can you pick that up for him? Thanks. It's okay. We can still see it. Sit down, Lakeland. Keep coloring. Keep it in there. All right, we're almost finished. What's up, Jake? Okay, put them on the counter. What's the matter, Jake? You want to do the next one? Okay, which one do you want to do next? What is it? This one?
Yeah, they're green. A pineapple.
Tell me what it is.
His name.
The strawberry? All right, everyone say strawberry. Strawberry. All right, how many syllables are in strawberry? Strawberry. 3. What color is 3? Green. But on this paper, they're green because they have 3. What, baby?
The second one at the end is the
Pear,
pear.
yeah, the pear's in the middle.
They're green. They're supposed to be green, but this is green.
Yeah. All right, quick coloring on your strawberry. It's almost time for writing.
Now I want to do the second one at the end.
Which one? The middle?
The pear.
Pear.
And the last one will be the last.
Okay. Can you wait till we're done?
One is pineapple.
Okay. We're almost finished.
The last one will be the
You can hold it. You can? You can't? Okay, Miss Kayla, can you take Makai to the bathroom? Okay, I need eyeballs. What is this? A pear. How many syllables are in pear? One. Good job. One. What color is one? Red. What color are pears supposed to be? Green. They're usually green on the outside, at least. What color are they on the inside?
Yellow.
White, yellow, maybe, or whitish. Okay, can you finish this paper first? Thank you. No, I don't think they're orange.
Actually, there are, the tricky fruit is the trick. It's orange and yellow mixed.
Good job.
Bell pepper cuts wood. It is orange.
You're very smart, Jake.
It's kind of a bell.
Yeah, that is what it's called. All right, you should be finished. I need eyeballs. We're going to do this one next because I want you to do pineapple by yourself. Okay, does anybody besides Jake know what this is? Don't tell him yet, Jake. Hold on.
Bear pepper. Bear pepper.
Close. Does anybody know?
A pepper. A pepper.
It is a pepper. Okay, Jake, tell him what kind of pepper it is. A bell pepper. Can you say bell pepper? Or sometimes people call these green peppers because they're usually green, but they also come in red or yellow. They're all bell peppers. So we're going to find out how many syllables are in bell pepper. We're going to do all together. Bell pepper. How many is that? It does. It has 2 words. Bell pepper. How many is it? Listen. Bell pepper. Bell pepper.
The pepper, they're green too.
Yeah. I like bell peppers. They're not spicy peppers. Okay, what color is our bell pepper going to be? Green, because it has how many? 3. Bell pepper. Color it. Lakeland, get to work.
Pineapple. Pineapple. You see it. Pineapple.
Color your bell pepper. We're right here. Color it green.
No way. No, yellow. And the last one is pineapple.
Hello.
Oh, red. Red. Miss Shannon, I hope it's gonna be yellow.
We'll find out. Okay, what is this last one? Pineapple. I want you to do this one all by yourself. Find out how many syllables are in pineapple.
Yellow.
Pineapple. All right, and then color it the right color.
Green.
Okay, what color is that supposed to be? Green. Good job. Good job. How many syllables is that? 3. Pineapple. Color it.
Just like this. Pine.
Perfect. Color it. 3. What color is it supposed to be, Jake?
Green.
Good job. What, honey?